Mount Bachelor Carts and Parts. We sell carts, service carts, build fun carts to drive around for people, try and have a good time.
My name is Rick Sanders, Director of Lithium at Trojan Battery Company.
My name is Thomas Van Patten. I am a direct sales representative for Trojan Battery Company.
We're here in Bend, Oregon to work with Mount Bachelor and do a custom build.
So Mike and his team, they specialize in custom builds. They do a lot of high performance custom builds, and it helps when I work closely with them. I learn a lot of information about the industry that I wouldn't get otherwise.
What can we do that's different? I look around what's going on and see different ideas and then try and piece things together, and what I like to do, and how to incorporate those into building a fun cart.
We were looking to partner with someone that wanted to do an extreme build-off, and we felt that this was an opportunity to utilize our HP battery to push it to its limits.
Almost always we'll do lithium batteries because they give us the best performance compared to, the old-fashioned lead-acid batteries. And then very typically we'll do a performance motor and controller. And then as far as the cosmetic sides of it, it's just we know what sells in this area, and then a lot of it is driven by what customers tell us they want. And they'll kind of come to us and say, I want A, B, and C, and then we try and take it to another level to elevate it for them, to make it more unique so it's not a standard cart like what you would just see as what you would get from a typical manufacturer, because everybody has their own ideas about what they like, and so we try and make everything tailored to them.
So what separates HP from like our standard one pack or our extended range is the high discharge current that it can withstand, and what we do into the internal components so that they are able to withstand those high discharge rates at a consistent rate.
Trojan's been the big name in the industry forever with lead acid batteries. Been using them, they've been great batteries.
So from my perspective, what sets Trojan Battery Company apart from other battery companies is the focus on safety and customer service. Safety comes first in every one of our meetings. Lithium batteries, being safe around families, is of utmost importance to our company.
The best part about the lithium versus the lead acid, one is the weight factor. It's 200 to 250 pounds lighter, which makes the cart accelerate faster, drive faster, and the fact that the power delivery out of the lithium battery is so much more constant, and it's a lot faster to the motor and controller, so we get better performance from the car when we're done.
On Tuesday, once we were able to really kind of get going and figured out how we're going to start and attack it, we started, getting all the fine, as anything, we do a tear down and a build, the intricate details, getting the wiring done and getting the fine detail stuff done on Tuesday. On Wednesday is when we really started to pull everything together, where we could, get the body put on and you can see it starting to come to life, and really just watching it, come together as one. It was really all happened pretty much from, on Wednesday is where we really finished it up. Here on Thursday, the final day, we're gonna really kind of test the car a little bit more, go have some fun with it, and really get some good shots of what we're trying to do and show the performance of what we've done of taking a cart that's a kind of a stock plain car and turning it into something like this that's really, performance and driven and full of power, right? The transition to see what you really go from into what you actually were able to build it into.
The challenge was being able to get the front wheels and tire size on the cart that I wanted. Don't normally allow for a 14-inch wheel and tire on a stock height cart, and I wanted to get it done and have it look right. And I was able to tweak a few things on the cart and make it fit, and then when you stand back from the side, the lines still flow properly.
From the windshield to the custom seats to the motor, the build is very unique. So when I first saw this build come to life, my first reaction was excitement. This is such a unique build, and watching it come together from conception to reality is exciting.
And it was really exciting. I've been able to drive, so to get to see the payoff after the build was amazing.
So my favorite part about this one will be taking this new high-performance battery pack with this motor and controller combination.
Being a part of this industry for, I guess you'd say, total 35 years, it's been amazing to see the transition of where the traditional golf cart come from into what you can create it into now in the aftermarket world. It's really exciting, and it's been interesting to watch the industry grow, especially in the past, I would say 10 years, is where the performance side of things really started coming on. Where it got to where the AC drive systems and things got in place. So it's been amazing to watch it and be a part of it.
So it's an honor for me to have Trojan, pick us to build a cart for them, with them, that they're going to use as well as, being a smaller company, that they have the faith in us to do something like this. Doesn't happen very often with small companies. Usually people go to the bigger dealerships to do it. So it's a big deal for me.